Hey, greeting from Catterskill Waterfalls. This delicious mountain spring water travel all the way from Catskill, upstate New York. The New York City people are very lucky to drink that fresh spring water. The watershed sits on over a million acres, both publicly and privately owned, but highly regulated to make sure contaminants stay out of the water. For this reason, tap water in New York has been described as the champagne of drinking water. Wow, the sound really fantastic. I love that waterfall and I was climbing middle of this waterfall. It was so fun and thank God everything was good.
We took a shower already, this water. Isn't amazing? Oh god. Soon we'll go for skiing.
Thanks everyone. Stay well and be peace.